Okay, so last time we studied about multiplying exponential numbers, right? So if we multiply exponential numbers, what are we going to do with the exponent? We're going to add, right? So today, we're going to discuss the other exponential rules. Okay, the other exponential rules, which is the first one would be dividing exponential numbers. So in multiplying exponential numbers, we add the exponent. But in dividing exponential numbers, what we're going to do with the exponent is we are going to subtract. Now, if you try to look at this, okay, this one, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. As you can see, they have the same base, which is a. And so, since this is division, we are going to subtract the exponent. You're just going to copy the base, but you are going to subtract the exponent. Okay? So if we try to answer the first example, 3 to the power of 6 divided by 3 to the power of 2. So since this is division and they have the same base, copy the base, which is 3, and the exponent, which will be 6 and 2, will be subtracted. Okay, that would be 3 to the power of 6 minus 2, which is equal to, what is the answer? Okay, 3 to the power of 4. And that's how you're going to solve dividing exponential numbers with the same base. Now, if we have the next one, 24m to the power of 5 divided by 3m to the power of 2. Now, we have here m to the power of 5 and m to the power of 2. These are the exponential numbers with the same base. So what are we going to do with 24 and 3? You are just going to divide it like this one. 24 divided by 3, what is the answer? What is 24 divided by 3? That is 8. And what is m to the power of 5 divided by m to the power of 2? M to the power of 5 minus 2, which is 8m to the power of 3. And this will be your answer. Okay? Understand? Hey, do you understand there? Okay. So if you understand, let us try this one. 7 to the power of 12. This should be division. Okay, let's edit this one. Okay, let's make this division, okay? This is wrong. It should be division. Okay, 7 to the power of 12 divided by 7 to the power of 6. That is 7 to the power of 12 minus 6, which is equal to 7 to the power of 6. Okay. Next, number 2. 6 to the power of 11 divided by over 6 to the power of 7. Now, if you see this symbol, this is same as division, okay? 6 to the power of 11 divided by 6 to the power of 7. These are same thing. So what would be our answer? Yeah, mister. 6 to the power of 11 divided by 6 to the power of 7. What would be the answer? Six to the power of 11 over 6 to the power of 7. What would be the answer? What would be the answer? of?
of 4.
Okay, very good. That would be 6 to the power of 4. Since that is 6 to the power of 11 minus 7, which is 6 to the power of 4. Okay? Up. Next, number 4. F to the power, sorry, this one. If you have this thing, okay? Now, let us try to write this in fraction form. So we will have negative 48 q to the power of 7 over 36 q to the power of 4. So what would be our answer? Negative 48 divided by 36. So this will be divisible by 12, right? So this will be 48 and 36 would be 4 and 3. Divide 12, right? And so q to the power of 7 divided by q to the power of 4, that would be q to the power of 7 divided by q to the power of 4. That is q to the power of 7 minus 4, that is 3. And so this will be your answer. Negative 4 over 3q to the power of 3. Again, 48 and 36. These are both divisible by 12. Song die, right? And so, 48 divide 12 is 4. And since that is negative, we're going to make it negative 4. And so 36 divided by 12, that is 3. And so with the exponential numbers, q to the power of 7 divided by q to the power of 4, that is q to the power of 7 minus 4, which is 3. And so our answer is negative 4 over 3 q to the power of 3. Okay, next, number 4. F to the power of 10 divided by f to the power of 3. Mister, stand up. Stand up. What is f to the power of 10 divided by f to the power of 3? Stand. F to the power of 10 divided by f to the power of 3. What is the answer? You're going to subtract the exponent. What would be the answer? Mm. You are going to subtract the exponent. Copy the base. The answer is
f to the power of 10.
10.
F to the power of 7.
Okay, that would be f to the power of 7. Again, you are going to subtract the exponent. Okay, that's correct. Okay, thank you. Next, number 5. 12h to the power of 5 over 2h to the power of 3. What would be the answer? Anyone who wants to volunteer? Who wants to volunteer? Okay. 12h to the power of 5 over 2h to the power of 3, that is equal to
6 to the power of 2.
6.
To the power of 2.
What happened to h? 6.
6h to the power of 2.
Okay, very good. So we will have here 6h to the power of 2. Again, 12 divided by 2, that is 6. H to the power of 5 divided by h to the power of 3, that would be equal to h to the power of 2. Okay? Did you understand? Do you have question? No, you understand. Okay, let's proceed with exponential rule of exponent number 3. Simplification of numbers in algebraic terms in index notation to a power. So what does it mean? If we raise an exponential number, this is already an exponential number, right? And we raise it to another power. So to read this is a to the power of m to the power of n. What you're going to do with the exponent is you are going to multiply the index. So that would be m times n. Okay, so if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, that would be equal to a to the power of m times n. So let us have this example. 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 5. So this will be 3 to the power of 2 times 5, which is equal to 3 to the power of 10. Okay, so again, this is multiplying exponential, raising an exponential number to a power. You are going to multiply the exponent. Okay, how about let's try this one. Can you please read this? P. Everyone, please read. P. Ankat, please read. P. How do you read this? Ann, read. P to the power of 3 to the power of again. Okay, so we have here p to the power of 3 to the power of 7. So if we have this, we're going to multiply the exponent. Copy the base, which is p. And so let's multiply the exponent. 3 times 7. And what would be our answer? The answer will be, okay, very good. We will have here p to the power of 21. Okay? No question? Good. Let us try number 1. Mr. at the back. Yeah, you. Yes. We have 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 3. What would be the answer? What would be the answer? Can you please speak louder? I can't hear again. Okay, 2 to the power of 2 times 3, which is? What's the answer? That is 2 to the power of 6. Okay, next. Okay, let's have this one. Number 2. Miss. 6 to the power of 5 to the power of 2. Okay, very good. We have 6 to the power of 10. How about number 3? Mister? Yeah. P to the power of 7 to the power of 4. The answer is P. Okay, p to the power of 28. Next, number 4. Miss. 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 4. Of 12. And for the last one, m to the power of 5 to the power of 6. Mister? Number 5, m. Okay, that would be m to the power of 30. Easy, right? You understand? No question. So that is exponent rule number 3. Okay? So anyway, discard this one. Exponent rule 5. Okay. So again, let's have a review. Exponent rule number 1. Multiplying exponential with the numbers with the same base. Add the exponent. Okay, addition if you're multiplying. Okay, exponent rule number 2. When dividing exponential numbers with the same base, you are going to subtract the exponent. Exponent rule number 3. Raising an exponential number to a power, you are going to multiply the exponent. Okay? We're done with those 3. Now, let's proceed with number 4. When a product is raised to a power, each piece is raised to the power. What does it mean? So, if we have here AB to the power of M. Okay, the quantity of AB to the power of M, that is A to the power of M, B to the power of M. Okay, so if we have here, okay, I forgot to add this one. Okay, now if you try to look at this, we have the quantity of xy to the power of 2. So as you can see, since this is 1 and this is 1, raising a power to a power, but this is a product, you're just going to distribute the power. So that would be x to the power of 1 times 2, x to the power of 2. X to the power of 1 times 2, that would be y to the power of 2. So our answer with xy to the power of 2 is x to the power of 2, y to the power of 2. Same thing as number 2. This is to the power of 1, right? To the power of 1. So that would be 2 to the power of 1 times 2. That would be 2 to the power of 2. 5 to the power of 1 to the power of 2. That is 5 to the power of 2. And if we simplify this, this would be 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 5 to the power of 2 is 25. And 4 times 25 is 100. Okay? For number 3, we have the quantity of HK to the power of 3. So again, distribute the power to each of the given variable. So we will have here h to the power of 3, k to the power of 3. Same thing as number 4. Do you understand? Okay, what if we have this one? Wait. Okay, let's have an example here. What if we have 2m to the power of 2 to the power of 3? What do you think is the answer? Anyone? What do you think is the answer? 2m to the power of 2 to the power of 3. So what is the exponent of 2? What is the exponent of 2? This is, what is the power of 2? This is power 1, right? So we will have here 2 to the power of 1 to the power of 3. That is 2 to the power of 3. How about m to the power of 2 to the power of 3? That is m to the power of what? 2 times 3. I need 1 times 3, right? Because this is exponent. The exponent of 1 is Okay. The exponent of 1 is of 2 is 1. So that is 1 times 3. While m, the power is 2. And raising it to another power, which is 3, we're going to multiply the exponent. And so our answer here is 2 to the power of 3, m to the power of 6. Okay? And what is the value of 2 to the power of 3? What is the value of 2 to the power of 3? Yes? Answer is 8. So our answer will be 8 m to the power of 6. And that's how you're going to do it. Okay? Do you understand? Let's have another example. So if we have here 3a to the power of 3 to the power of 4, what do you think is the answer? Anyone? What is the answer? Yes, mister. What would be the answer? Three to the power of 4. How about A? A to the power of what? 3 times 4. Ani 1,ใช่ปะ? 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. And so this will be your answer. Or if we simplify, 3 to the power of 4 is 81. A to the power of 12. And that's how you're going to raise a power, raising a product to a power. Okay? Hey, do you understand? Mister, do you understand? Huh? You understand? Okay, let's have another one. Mister, what would be the answer? 2 to the power of 3, t to the power, the quantity of 2 to the power of 3, t to the power of 2 to the power of 2. What's the answer? Stand up. Yeah, you. The one wearing black jacket, yeah? What would be the answer? 2 to what? To the power of? Again, distribute the power. This is power to a power. What would be the answer? 3 times 2. What's the answer? That is 2 to the power of? You say it. How about this one? T to the power of 2 to the power of 2. That is? What's the answer? Oh, this is still multiplication. T to the power of 4. Okay? And what is the value of 2 to the power of 6? What is the value of 2 to the power of 6? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 64. And then simplify t to the power of 4. This will be your answer. Sit down. Understand? Okay? Do you have any question? No question? Understand? Good. Let's go with exponential rule number 5. When a quotient is raised to a power, both the numerator and the denominator are raised to a power. What does it mean? Quotient, okay, meaning we're dealing with division or fraction. A over b to the power of m, that is equal to a to the power of m, b to the power of m. Okay, I want you to copy the exponential rule. Remember the rules, okay? Earlier we have here number 4 is ab to the power of m, that is a to the power of m, b to the power of m. For number 5 we have up, yeah. A over b to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m over b to the power of m. Same thing, you are going to distribute the power to the given fraction. Okay? Let's have an example. So we have x over y to the power of 3. What do you think is the answer? That is? Anyone? Yes, miss? To the power of? Okay, very good. That would be x over y to the power of 3 is x to the power of 3y to the power of 3. Again, you are going to distribute the power to the numerator and the denominator. How about number 2? Miss, with a black jacket, yeah. H over k to the power of 2. Okay, very good. That would be h to the power of 2 over k to the power of 2. How about number 3? We have 4 over 2 to the power of 2 is 4 to the power of 2 over 2 to the power of 2. And what is the value? If we simplify this, what would be the value? What would be the value? What is 4 to the power of 2? 16. And 2 to the power of 2? That is 16 over 4. And what would be the answer? The answer is 4. Okay. Now let's have another one. If we have x to the power of 2 over y to the power of 3 to the power of 2, what would be the answer? X to the power of 2 over y to the power of 3, that is y, okay? Y to the power of 3 to the power of 2. What would be the answer? So that is x to the power of 2 times 2, okay? Which is x to the power of 4 over y to the power of 3 to the power of 2. So that is y to the power of 3 times 2, which is y to the power of 6. And this will be your answer. Understand? Okay? Understand? No? Let's have another one. A to the power of 3 over b to the power of 7 to the power of 4. What would be our answer? That is a to the power of 3 times 4. Okay. Over b to the power of 7 times 4. And what would be our answer? The answer will be a to the power of 12 over b to the power of 28. And this will be your answer. Okay? Understand? Let's have another one. How about this one? AB to the power of 3 over B to the power of 2. What would be our answer? As you can see, we have here B and another B. What is the power of this B? This is power 1, right? What do you think would be the answer? Let's simplify. B to the power of 3 over B. What would be the answer? Hey, what is B to the power of 3 over B? What is B to the power of 3 over B? Exponent rule number 2. Dividing, that would be AB to the power of 3 minus 1 logo to the power of 2. Remember, when dividing exponential number, you are going to subtract the exponent. And so we will have here a b to the power of 3 minus 1 is 2 to the power of 2. And so the answer is, what's the answer? A to the power of 2, b to the power of 4. Okay? If there is an exponential number that you can simplify it first before you solve the given exponential number. Okay? Okay, now let us have this one. What is 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 5? Mister? Yes, you again. Because you're using your phone. What is 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 5? What's the answer? Okay, that is 3 to the power of 10. Next, number 2. A to the power of 3 to the power of 4, mister? A to, stand up. Okay, that is a to the power of 12. How about this one? 2a to the power of 2 to the power of 3, mister? May try. Stand up. Two. Again, what will happen? This is power 1, right? What will be the answer? 2 to the power of 1 to the power of 3. What is the answer? We have 2 here. Product. Product that is raised to a power, each piece will get a power. So 2 to the power of 1 to the power of 3, what is the answer? 2 to the power of 1 times 3. Do you understand? Each of the given piece will get the power. Okay? And so, 8 to the power of 2 to the power of 3, that is 8 to the power of, okay. Remember everyone, we have here 1. Okay? The power of 2 is 1. And 2 to the power of 1 to the power of 3 is 1 times 3, which is 3. And for this one, 8 to the power of 2 to the power of 3, that is 8 to the power of 2 times 3, which is 6. And so 2 to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. Okay? Next. Number 4. What do you think is the answer? What is the answer? What's the answer? Mister? Yeah. Number 4, 2 to the power, the quantity of 2 to the power of 2, a to the power of 5, b to the power of 3, to the power of 2. Again, please speak louder. Ah, 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2. That is? Speak louder. I can't hear you. Why 4? You're going to copy. Just copy the base. And it's same here. 2 to the power of 3. We just copy. We don't multiply. Answer. 2 to the power of 2 times 2 is 4. Next. 8 to the power of 5 to the power of 2. Okay, 8 to the power of 10. B to the power of 3 to the power of 2. Okay. Now, let's simplify. What is 2 to the power of 4? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is? That is? 2 times 2. 4 times 2. 8 times 2. 16. So that is 16. A to the power of 10. Read this. Read again this one. Read everything. 16. Okay. Look here, okay? Don't look outside. I am here in front. Okay, so that would be 16, a to the power of 10, b to the power of 6. Remember, that is 2 times 2. Since this is 2, to the power of 2. 5 to the power of 2 is 5 times 2. B to the power of 3 to the power of 2 is 3 times 2. Okay? Number 5. What's the answer for number 5? Negative, the quantity of negative 3a to the power of 2 to the power of 2. What would be the, I want the answer like this. What would be the answer? Okay, I want the final answer like this. What would be the answer? Anyone from the class? Try to at least do it. Solve. What's the answer? The quantity of negative 3a to the power of 2 to the power of 2. That is? Anyone? 1/5. What's the answer? Yeah. Stand up. What will be the answer? Again, negative. We have negative 3 to the power of 2 a to the power of 4. Now, what is negative 3 to the power of 2? Lopsam kung lopsam. Negative 3 times negative 3. There is a parenthesis, diba? Ani, we have parenthesis. That's why we have parenthesis here. That is 9 a to the power of 4. So that would be your answer. Yakmai, is it hard? Is it hard? But do you understand? Do you understand? No? Huh? No? The examples that I gave are the easiest examples. Yeah, easy. This one, what's the answer? Miss? Number 6. Quantity of s to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 4 to the power of 3. That is? Last example and then we're done. Miss, what's the answer? Quantity of s to the power of 2, t to the power of 4 to the power of 3. Tell me that you don't know. We've been doing this. You're just going. Look at the examples that we have. We are just multiplying the exponent. Copy the base, multiply the exponent since we are raising a power to a power. What is the answer for number 6? Do not tell me that you don't know. What's the answer? No, we're not done. Unless you give me the answer, we're not going to go. What's the answer? Let's just stay here. What is the answer? Hey, you are just going to multiply the exponent. Look here, we're just multiplying the exponent since we are raising a power to a power. Now, S, 2 times 3, 4 times 3. What's hard? Again, louder. Everyone, please stop. Yes. Hey, what's the answer? S to the power of 6. Look, don't look at your classmate. Look at the example, the question. T to the power of. Read it again. Read again. S. Read. And we already have the answer. S. Okay, everyone, please read. Is it hard? You are just multiplying the exponent. What's hard about it? Okay, anyway, since it's time, stand up, everyone.